Prince Harry using late Diana's gems for Meghan Markle's engagement ring. Prince Harry has taken his late mum's tiara to a jeweler to turn it into a stunning engagement ring for girlfriend, Meghan Markle, RadarOnline.com has learned. The love-struck couple, who first sparked romance rumors back in October, are now in the fast lane to get married. The 32-year-old and the Suits actress, 35, were recently caught attending his close pal's wedding in Jamaica, where eyewitnesses caught the duo in their own little romantic world. Now, after returning from their pre-honeymoon getaway, Harry is back at work, planning his proposal. According to the Daily Star, Harry wants to use his mum's emerald gems from a headband she wore during her tour in Australia in 1988. After Diana died, the boys both chose a keepsake from Kensington Palace, when they moved to Charles' room in St James's Palace, a source told the Daily Star. William picked his mum's Cartier watch and Harry picked her sapphire and diamond engagement ring. The insider went on. But they had an agreement that whoever got engaged first would have Diana's ring, and of course that was William and Kate. Since Markle's favorite jewel is emerald, Harry thought it was only appropriate to work with a jewelry designer to turn the People's Princess's green jeweled headband into a ring for her. For Harry, like Wills before him, using his mother's gems means the two loves of his life will forever be linked, the source said. As Radar reported, Harry has been slowly introducing Markle to his circle of friends. However, Harry's dad, Prince Charles, has ordered him to stay away from her. Still, Harry had set plans to pop the question on Meghan's 36th birthday this year on August 4.